forming the plural of irregular nouns.
Some nouns are easily made plural without using conjugates such as adding an s or es to the end of the word. Irregular nouns do not become plural this way.
So ang forming the plural of irregular nouns ko no kay changes such as adding s or es to the end of the word. Number 1.
If a noun ends in f, change the f to b and add an es.
If a noun ko no naglasa niya letter f, change the f to b and add es. Example.
Elf.
Elves. Elf siya, mahimong na siya.
Elves. Loaf. Loaves.
Isa?
Loaves.
Ang loaf, mahimong?
Loaves.
Number 2.
If a noun ends in y with a consonant before it, change y to I and add es.
If a noun end with in the y with a consonant before it, change the y to I and add es. Example.
Spy. Spice.
Just
Okay, Mary Kate, read question number 1.
The type of writers became obsolete with the development of personal computers.
The typewriters are obsolete. Unsa man ang obsolete? Outdated. Mauna na siya karaan. Kay di ba karon sa una kailan mong typewriter? Oh, so karon personal computers na. Number 2, Alaya.
His mother gets anxious if she stays outside after dark. Nervous?
Okay, nervous. Number 3.
After the rainstorm, the rainbow is up the sky with the vivid colors, bright.
Okay, vivid colors, bright. Number 4.
Stark truth about their poverty. Absolute.
Absolute.
Number 5, a vague fair. D, precise.
Unclear.
Number 6, a small rivulet. Stream.
Yes, stream. Ang rivulet kay stream, which is sapa. Number 7. Oh, prodded.
Prodded the animal. Kuan, A, prevented from moving.
No, that is stirred to action. Kuan man ang prodded ka ng murag imong abugon ba? Iabog.
The smell assailed his nostrils.
Attach, assailed. Number 9.
Curious exultation. C, joy or triumph.
Joy or triumph. Exaltation. Number
She
10.
was deprived of the chance to be a real child as she had to work.
Deprived,
Offered.
denied.
Sophia the First is a story of a young monarch or princess.
Monarch.
Monarch. Sorry. Princess. Kuan, A, royalty.
Royalty.
Ay, buat kan, matay tanong.
Dali, let's go! Ikaw gunit.